This speaker stand has 15 degrees of angle. It's made with hand-finished powder-coated steel. It's thin, but it's stronger than it looks. It has a foam padding on top of a stand to help speaker stay on better. This stand is compatible with Audioengine A1, A1MR, A2 Plus, and HD3 speakers. I don't know you noticed the difference. It's not major difference, but when you hear in person, sound is little better with the stand. I always use a stand for my speaker. This stand sells for $39. I think it's a little overpriced. This should be $19. Then I will say just buy it together with your speaker. But for $39, it's up to you. But sound is a little better for sure. I have other two videos comparing Audioengine A2 Plus and HD3 speaker. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.